the Itlog strat. We're seeing something new here. Lilia is back in the lineup. Ladies and gentlemen, game number 1. The Lilia is the support here. Para sa side ng BSB. Lar, pumapasok na siya dito ng kanyang sand skateboard.
Sand skateboard.
As Team BSB will just use the flame shot to negate that. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now up to the Little Wanderer Onyx PH getting that free one in the top lane.
So, bakit sobrang importante nung dalawang flame shot dito nung side ng BSB? Cap1 and Trevor, meron silang flame shot that has a 60, if I'm not mistaken, a 60-second cooldown. So that means 150 yung flicker.
Yeah.
150 yung flicker. So for every flicker adjustment na meron sila, or every flicker cooldown na meron sila dito onto the side of Onyx PH, kung hindi man sila nakapull yourself together, they actually have 2 uses of the flame shot.
Every time.
Every time.
Every time. So, hindi makakalapit kagad dito ang Atlas, and hindi rin pwede makalapit kagad si Yakno. And I think BSB, hindi natin...
Nanakaw! Nanakaw ng mountain siya, nanakaw. Nanakawan sila dito. Drix actually gets that orange buff.
Wow. Nice mountain shocker mula kay Drix, pero mukhang may heavy follow-up dito na perfect match. Si kaibigan Jay, papasok na naman si Wise dito with the quad shadow. No power star power lockdown yet for Wise to Venus actually to get the counter initiation. BSB getting a free orange buff for Drix. Easy farm for Drix. Level 5 na si Drix dito. Meanwhile, Onyx PH, ladies and gentlemen, still finding their experience. Medyo unfortunate. Actually, sobrang unfortunate.
Sobrang unfortunate.
Kung ikaw nga Yabusa, kasi gusto mo talagang magkaroon ka ng proper levels to get yourself going. Especially na digi lineup tong kalaban mo. Oo. Ay, nako. May sinipa pa. First blood coming in from Joe. BSB on a roll for the first 2 minutes ng ating laro.
Alam mo, ito yung nakikita ko dito. BSB, they got the orange buff na bigay nila kay Drix yun. Drix has an extended amount of orange buff dito. So that means, kapag lumabas yung turtle dito, yung first turtle, may assurance siya na meron pa siyang orange buff.
There you go.
Now,
yes.
Now, Onyx PH, ang nakakapagtaka dito sa totoo lang, nakapag-setup naman sila dun sa may taas and they really went for the aggressive kahit nandun mismo si Drix. They really tried to get the kill kahit papano para ma-level or ma-equal yung playing field.
Yeah, gusto nila kahit papano makakuha ng tamang exchange. But Butters, ikaw na nag-point out nito. Since may extended orange, why not? I-go natin ang laban. Ayun yung star power lockdown. Pero Raging Sandstorm onto 2. At may time journey pero delay na ata ng onte dahil nakapatay pa dito si kaibigan Drix. Single, double. Long range, melee range. Crits are real. The Digi is the one falling down, but BSB getting 2. Meanwhile, meron pa silang turtle and nakuha pa nila yung top lane tower. BSB is now in control sa first 4 minutes ng ating laro. And Cap1 here to scout out Wise. Cap1, magiging sacrifice na lang siya dito. That is the Digi that. And mukhang dito na papasok yung strategy ng BSB. Hindi na ngayon makaka-rotate ng maayos ang Onyx PH dahil nga nandito, ladies and gentlemen, si Cap1. Alam na kagad ng BSB kung saan pupunta itong mga tanks.
Trevor dito doesn't have the black shoes to get away. Noxious. Cap1 dito is doing a late tribute para sa buhay niya. Naging late tribute na to. Kumbaga, hindi to katulad nung ginawa ni Caplicia from the get-go.
Yeah.
He took himself down. Ang ginawa niya dito, he just went for the early levels. Sinubukan niya muna kunin yung extra level sa time bomb niya para magkaroon siya ng extra threat. And look at this. Hinahanap niya talaga kung nasan dito si Wise.
At least may onting damage. And I think it makes sense. It makes sense talaga ng todo. Kasi ngayon may sustain na yung team nila eh. May sustain na yung BSB, malakas na si Drix. Siguro bukod doon sa auto-alarm bombs na pinapalakas na yung damage, gusto niya rin na kaya na mag-sustain mag-isa ng mga teammates niya. And mukhang dito na papasok yung sinasabi nating Digi Strat. Let's see how can the Festival of Blood counter this, mukhang tinutuloy-tuloy pa rin ng Onyx PH ang pag-kill sa kanya, pero ang BSB, kuha na ng kuha ng mga towers.
I've been hearing a lot of things about, sabihin na natin dito sa Diggy, na bakit niya ginagamit yung ultimate niya. Wala naman siyang ninenegate na kahit anong stun. Wala naman siyang ninenegate na kahit anong slow.
Oo.
It's a matter of getting the extra armor.
Yes.
And when you get the extra armor, what does that do? They actually use more resources than
Oo.
intended.
To get you. Pero Atlas will actually get the turtle. That is the kill onto Drix. Star running away. Pero hinampas siya ng maso dito. At ayun yung star power lockdown ni Oh My Venus. Sama pa ng mga planets attack with the execute kill. Coming in from Iaknu, Trevor, still running away, and BSB, even though nakakuha sila ng magandang vision, nakuha sila ng magandang space, it's still Onyx PH getting that victory. Kapuan now in the mid lane. Pause muna tayo doon sa Itlog Martyr strat.
Oh.
Kuya Butters. Meanwhile, makukuha ata dito si Wise, pero flicker out on the show. And alam na natin yan, automatic. Huwag ka na magtaka kapag namatay ang isang Diggy.
Ngayon, katulad nung post ng Onyx PH kanina, Winnie the Pooh, hindi Winnie Monson, Winnie the Pooh, ang Onyx PH dito, in terms of getting the objective sa buong mapa.
Oo.
Wish sila magpapatigil dito, pre.
Hindi talaga.
Wish na wish.
Wish Khalif.
Wish. Wish na wish.
Wise na Wise.
Oo.
And look at the score of Wise. 5-0-7. Ladies and gentlemen, this is scary. Kasi even though you are the Lilia, even though you are the Yishod Shin, with the Shadow Kill, susundan ka ng ultimate ni Wise eh. Susundan ka ng ultimate. So this is looking bad right now for BSB. Onyx PH, they stayed with their win condition, and their win condition is to the clutch win that turtle fight. After that, they're now in control of the entire map. With just one fight, Butters, 15-4. BSB they were actually leading by 2K, 3K kanina. But I think BSB, they underestimated the damage potential of the AOEs na meron ng Onyx PH.
Kung kailan ginawa nila Kapuan etong sacrificial Diggy, feeding Diggy strategy,
Oo.
doon bumaliktad lahat-lahat. And it's not like Onyx PH dito is actually putting a lot of emphasis para kay Diggy na ma-takedown siya, or alam mo yon, pagkaisahan siya ng mga tao dahil nagbibigay siya ng kill. Ang ginagawa dito ng Onyx PH, sige gawin niyo yan. Kulitin mo si Wise.
Oo.
Pero si Wise lang bahala sa'yo.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Hindi ka namin iintindihin. Naka-killing spree si Wise. Kapag ka na-takedown ka niya, kung ano man yung bomba na binato mo, na lifesteal niya yon galing sa sarili mong buhay, at nakuha niya yung killing spree proc. So it's going to be okay.
Oo, sulit.
Sulit pa rin.
Kumaga, kahit walang gold, sabi ni Wise, okay lang, mayaman ako.
Oo, mayaman ako.
Hindi ko kailangan ng gold.
Oo.
Malakas na ako. May item na ako.
Oo. But the thing is, kasi kapag ka na-takedown mo si Wise dito, there is this illusion na kapag ka napatay mo etong si Wise, yung kanyang kill streak, napakataas.
Oo.
So, pagka yung kill streak na yon napakataas, ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung
Shutdown gold.
Shutdown gold na binibigay.
Totoo.
Pero yung shutdown gold na yon, hindi siya actually nag-equate dun sa nakukuhang pera ni Wise. Kasi at this point on, wala nang binibigay na gold yung Diggy na yan.
Totoo.
So, nagkakaroon ka ng economy na si Wise hindi naman talaga nakakaangat ng todo-todo. Pero, kapag pinatay mo siya, iaangat ka niya.
Yeah. Kumbaga, yung sobrang taas ng value ni Wise, wala na nga siya nakukuha masyado, nalulugi na siya sa
Nalulugi
stocks.
na siya, oo.
Lugi na siya sa insurance.
Oo.
Pero, masundutan mo lang ng onte, daig mo pa nanalo sa loto. Parang ganon.
Yun yung ano yung 20 taya, panalo.
Panalo 50.
Panalo 50, ganon.
Pwede. Kumbaga, ang taas ng odds. Kapag nahuli mo dito, si Wise. And I think that's the mission for the side of BSB. Like what we've said, Wise is now on a godlike, ladies and gents. And he is the main target for the BSB squad. But how can you, dahil may nakaharang na Atlas dito, the turtle will now go to Drix. Pero Fatalix on 2-2. Sabay may penalty zone. Sabi ni Wilson, ako rin, marunong din ako dumabog.
Marunong din ako dumabog. And that's the thing, Onyx PH dito, they're not afraid to fight.
I'm not afraid.
I'm not afraid.
Eminem.
Kung titignan mo si Diggy dito, sa totoo lang, tinigilan niya na.
Ayaw niya na eh.
medyo, ang ginagawa na lang ni Diggy ngayon, information. Ayan, sabi nga, sige,
Ayan na.
papakita uli ako.
What's up, Doc?
What's up, kamusta?
What's up, Doc?
Oo,
What's
sige,
up?
take vision.
Mission, kapag may vision, merong
Merong mission, no?
Lagi niyong tatandaan yan. Binabati ko pala lahat ng mga mag-online class na.
Oo.
Yun.
Makinig kayo.
Makinig kayo. Lagi niyong tatandaan yan. Mission is vision. And with mission, vision, may core values. And mukhang wala nang core values dito ang side ng BSB dahil chinukchak niya ni Wise. Si kaibigang Wilson, the star power lockdown will connect on to Trevor, but that is the black shoes. Trevor will go for the counter play. Drix going in for the Flood Bloods. They will chase this with the Traceless in. The Digger is still here. Naku po, nahuli pa si The Queen. Sinipa pa balik. May onting Pectus. Oh, may Venus will use the Cyclone Eye to get away. Anna will dodge the planet's attack. And Team BSB, ang layo ng hinabol nila pero isa lang ang nakuha nila which is si Wise. But I think it's okay kasi na-even up pa rin yung macro ng map. Raging Sandstorm coming in from Blar, but that is the reverse time. Counter go for the side of BSB. It's still a good game.
Yep.
Actually for Team BSB.
Masaya si Dilar na kahit na takedown siya doon, hindi nawala yung mid lane turret na yan.
Yes.
That is the most important part of the Onyx PH map right now. Na
Yes.
kapag katumumba yan, there is a big chance na BSB can just turn this around kasi open na yung floodways dito.
Yes.
Can you call it floodways? I'm gonna call it floodways.
Yes.
Doon sa may mga jungle monsters sila.
Oo.
Now, tignan mo man, Jean, looking at that fight, i-analyze ko na yung fight dito.
Sige.
Tignan mo yung gold. Kanina lamang na lamang yung Onyx PH ng 1K to 2K gold.
Yun na nga.
Nung namatay si Wise, ng isang beses, umangat bigla yung BSB. And that's the shutdown gold na sinasabi natin.
Yun na nga ang bingo, ladies and gentlemen, para dito sa side ng BSB. And anak ko po, mukhang may Mountain Shocker coming in dito. Quad Shadow, mahuli pa ata. Okay, so mahuhuli si Kapan. Ba't nga ba natin inahype yan? Si Diggy na automatic nga naman na yun na ang mission niya. Probably still gonna give another shutdown gold para sa kanyang team. Wilson, ladies and gentlemen, siya ata mahuli dito. Penalty zone on 2-2. Where's the Fatal Licks? Wala. Mawala dito si Jay. Another pick-off coming in for BSB. Slowly but surely, Team BSB picking off Onyx PH one by one. Man, ang ganda rin kasi ng combo eh. Reverse time doon sa mga chaotic orbs, balls ni Trevor. And then you have a Mountain Shocker. So ang dami mong follow-up kapag ikaw din ang BSB. Kaya, man, ang taas din ang damage output.
Oy,
Makatis, another kick. And there you go. Basag ang Torre dito ng side ng Onyx PH. Dito na papasok yung sinabi mo, Butters, importanteng Torre sa mid.
Men, ito yung ano nag-upload ako ng video sa TikTok.
Oh, ano
Sabi ko abangan nila si Ana.
At ayun na.
Yung iba pre sabi nila, bakit daw si Ana? Yun yung dahilan kung bakit si Ana. Nasipa niya si Wise papunta sa kawalan.
Nako na nga, nagkasipian na time journey coming in, but that is a shutdown na magmumula dito sa Balmond. Ana coming in, he wants to get Blar. Pumasok dito ang auto-alarm bombs at nasipa pa siya patalikod. 22-10, BSB. Manning up to the runner-ups. And now, Butters, coming into the late game, we're always saying na ang Balmo nag-i-expire ang damage output.
Yeah.
And there you go. Sige, may nakuha siyang kills. That is a mega kill. But man, yung counter go ng time journey showing us dito sa Gillette Instant Replay, it saved BSB for the potential loss. But right now, it's still Onyx PH going into the Lord. Half-health ang Lord natin dito. Nandito na si kaibigang Wilson. The knock-up is there. Magbumula sa Lord. Trevor, Black Shoes out. Wise, sinong first target niya? Yung Lord nalilito na rin. Time Journey!
Oh!
Wise! Pero still, nakapatay pa rin ang side ng BSB. Iyak no running for his life. Flicker out. Hinahabol siya ng umiikot na itlog. The speeding egg mula dito sa side ng BSB. Top 1. Still, BSB, even though Wise with the clutch, Lord still, BSB with the sustain that they have, with the items that they have, automatic 3 kills at masasayang yung
Okay.
take dito ng Onyx PH.
Let's try to analyze that fight, Manjin. Ito yung nangyari. Si Wise was there, Onyx PH, they knew that it was the perfect time for them to actually contest the Lord.
Yes.
Sabi kasi nila, Drix isn't really in the area.
Oo.
And pagka wala si Drix, wala silang retribution.
Yun na nga.
So that means one up na agad yung Onyx PH doon. Wala na yung carry nila, wala na yung main source of damage nila, wala ka pang retribution. So it was really the perfect time to fight.
Yeah.
But what I liked about BSB there is hindi na nila tinutukan yung Lord. Sabi nila, hindi din naman natin maaagaw yan kasi nasa kanila yung retribution kahit subukan natin. May
So-
chance, pero slim.
Yeah. So, laban na lang.
Laban na lang.
Laban na lang. Alam mo na, kumbaga, that is one risky move para sa side ng BSB. And looking at the item, it seems like Drix is the richest one right now. Fatalix on 2-3. Where's the follow-up? Time journey counter go. Drix, traceless out. Nasa kanya ang camera dito. Oh, quad shadow, pero ang daming units. Naku po, na-reverse time. Boom! Dash in, normal, dash in sa pack mula kay Ana. Jay, tumatakbo na. Mukhang wala na atang damage output. Wala na nga ang Onyx PH. Nakapatay pa ng isa si The Queen dito, pero si Dilar ang magtataya ng kanyang buhay. Mountain Jacker hinahabol.
Si Ma-
Oh my Venus, si Ma'am Shoes.
Si Ma'am Shoes.
Si Ma'am Shoes.
Ma'am Shoes!
Oh,
Ano?
tatamaan si Dix.
Nahuli si Drix.
Baka Ma'am Shoes yan! Winter Truncheon mula kay Ma'am Shoes dito.
Si Wilson!
Si Wilson!
Si Wilson, palong-palo.
Palong-palo si Wilson, kasama niya yung itlog. Pero Ma'am Shoes, sabi ni Oh My Venus, pues, meron kayong itlog. Meron akong 5 itlog. At ayan, ang mga planets attack. Onyx PH, Oh My Venus, with the itlog outplays Butters.
Ito sinasabi ko sa'yo, Kuya Manjin. Ang sabi doon ni Oh My Venus, iyak nung punta ka dito. Kaya natin panalo to eh.
Kaya
no?
natin panalo to,
Alam mo yung
Yaku.
pinakadulong linya.
Ano?
Like legit.
Like legit. Legit with receipt.
Ay, nako.
Let's look at the Gillette instant replay. We all thought that it's going to be BSB, but the damage, the scaling from the Cyclops, ladies and gents, ang leader ng X-Men. 5 itlog. At yung itlog pa ni Venus, malasado.
Oo.
Yung kay ano kasi, yung kay Kapuan, hard-boiled.
Hard-boiled.
Alam mo naman, mas masarap ang malasado.
Oo,
Butters,
tama
eh.
naman. Ano ba, wala, may analysis ba tayo dyan?
May alam mo kasi, yung kay,
Ano?
kay Venus, pag malasado ang itlog mo, makakailan ka eh.
Oo.
Diba? Ang hardboiled kasi isa lang parang
Isa lang,
saka ka
isa
na.
lang, oo.
Yung kay Venus 5 eh. 5 malasado.
Oh,
At
oy.
ako, eto na naman,
Oh.
may laban na naman. Ako po, time journey. Oh! Penalty
ma-
zone on to 5. At look at the damage of Oh My Venus from the back. That is a killing spree. Para dito kay Cyclops at umikot na. Patay na pala yung digi dito habang si Iyakno hinahabol. Sabi ng BSB, it's our time to shine. Hinahabol din na si Iyakno dito. Pero ayun, shut down para kay Oh My Venus. Sabi ni Drix, not in our town. 20 to 30. Wipeout ang Onyx PH. Hardboil pa rin. Sa side ng BSB, it seems like it's the end of the game, Butters.
It really looks like it. May cannon sila dito sa may middle lane. BSB, they can take this straight to the base. Onyx PH. They actually lose game number 1 against BSB. BSB dito. Wow! Di natin pinag-usapan yun.
Oo.
Pero wow!
Wow talaga.